Hello, day 4.
Day 4, take 2.
I said hello, day 4.
Yeah, hi.
How are you doing today?
Day 4 is good. How's Ryan Wing today?
Back to the forest again.
Yep.
Very high at the moment. We're walking to Sherwood Court. We're going to go catch some Papadosio and see what happens.
I like your attitude. Just kind of go with the flow. Roll the
flow.
punches. That's all you can really do.
That'll be it. What do you think day 4 today?
It's awesome.
Day 4.
Who do we just go see?
Just saw a little of somebody's tiny universe.
Carl Denson.
Carl Denson's tiny universe. It's pretty awesome. You can rewind and go back to day 4, take 1, and watch that again if you want. Here's the forest though in the day, just kind of serene, just packed in with. I mean, packed in. We should request "Do Your Ears Hang Low" from the tuba player. No. Can you play "Do Your Ears Hang Low"?
What? That is really funny. Now that I know what's Hard left.
You didn't do that thing yet. You said that fucking thing. Oops.
We're on top. Drop, 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 drop. Side, 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 side.
Oh, this is all sun, isn't it? Very early raging today.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah. What the fuck?